Thank you very much. One more song. One more song, okay. Do you know the Spanish song, or did I'm just trying to think of another one that we used. If you can throw out one that we used to do. Which one? Oh, sure. Yeah. Yeah, good idea. Yeah, we're gonna go Capo 2. Straighten it out. Okay. In the early morning rain, with a dollar in my hand, with an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long way from home, and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, I'm the man of 9, 707 said to go, but I'm stuck here on the grass where the pavement ever grows. Liquor tasted good, the one over fast. There she goes, my friend, she's rolling down at last. Mighty engines roar, see the silver burn on high. She's in westward bound, far above the clouds she'll fly, where the morning rain don't fall, the sun always shines. She'll be flying on my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down. It's no work to get to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I can be. You can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I best be on my way in the early morning rain. You can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I best be on my way in the early morning rain. Currie, what a great guitar player. Thank you, Jeff. Thank you, Mary. Thank you, Tony. Thank you, everybody, for coming. Thank you so much.